Let us consider the first sum. The given equation is x plus 4 whole squared minus 8x is equal to 0. So first of all we had to convert this given equation into quadratic form. We can expand this by applying a plus b whole squared. We know a plus b whole squared is nothing but a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, is it not? So you can apply here a plus b whole squared formula, that is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So let us apply this one. Therefore x squared plus 16 plus 2 4s are 8x minus 8x is equal to 0. 8x minus 8x equal to 0. So x squared plus 16 is equal to 0. So there is no x term here. So we can put x squared plus 0x plus 16. Now we can compare against the quadratic equation format. That is, quadratic equation format is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us compare what is the value of a, 1, b, 0, c, 16. Now what is the quadratic discriminant here? B squared minus 4ac, that is equal to d. So we have to check whether it is positive or negative or equal. Okay, so let us apply. That is b is 0 minus 4 into a is 1, c is plus 16 is equal to minus 64. Therefore d is less than 0, that is it is negative. If d is negative, then the roots are imaginary. Okay, it means they have no real roots. Second one, in the second sum the given equation is x minus root 2 the whole square minus root 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can apply here a minus b whole squared formula, that is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Now let us apply this. Therefore x squared and then plus root 2 squared means 2 and then minus 2ab means 2 root 2 x. Okay, then we have to expand this one, minus root 2 x, root 2 into 1 minus root 2, that is equal to 0. Now we have to add x squared, and where are the x terms? You have here x term, another root x. So minus 2 root 2 minus root 2 means minus 3 root 2. Got it? X. And then 2 minus root 2. So plus 2 minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now the quadratic equation format is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to compare these two. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 root 2 and c is equal to, you have to take together. So c is equal to 2 minus root 2. So this is the way you have to take. Now we have to apply the formula. Okay, now let us apply the formula. is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to, what is b here? Minus 3 root 2 the whole square minus 4 into, what is a? 1. What is c? 2 minus root 2. Now minus into minus plus, so 9 into root 2 squared is 2, so 18 minus, and what about this? 4 into 2, 8, and then minus 4 into minus plus, how much? 4 root 2. Got it? Minus 4 into minus root 2, that is plus 4 root 2. Now this is 18 minus 8 plus 4 root 2, that is equal to 18 minus 8, 10 plus 4 root 2. So d is equal to 10 plus 4 root 2. So this is positive, is it not? So this is greater than 0, that is positive, and hence it means quadratic equation has real roots. Got it? Do you understand? Now let us move to the next problem. Root 2x squared minus 3 by root 2 into x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to convert this into quadratic form. What can we do? We have to remove this root 2. You can multiply the entire equation by root 2. So root 2 into root 2, 2. So root 2 into root 2x squared minus root 2 into 3 by root 2 plus root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 into 0, 0. Now root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2x squared. This can be cancelled. So this is x. So 3x. And this is cancelled. So it means plus 1 is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1. So d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So b minus 3 the whole square, and then minus 4 into a 2 into 1. So that is equal to minus 3 squared 9 minus 4 2s are 8, that is equal to 1. So d is equal to 1. So d is greater than 0, that is positive. Therefore the given quadratic equation has, that is, distinct real roots. What you will follow? Got it? Now let me give you another set of problems. Try to do that. Take down. You can note down in your question bank. Right. X into 1 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Second question, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Right? Next one, x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus x is equal to 0. So can you try this sum? Please do that.